What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of day scans today on June 8th. And right now I'm looking at ticker symbol SOS on the daily chart over the past year of price history. This is a very interesting setup right now. We are looking at, I do consider this a penny stock overall. So I am going to issue, some extra caution when trading this. But I do think this can offer a interesting setup in a few different time frames. So I'm going to highlight both those patterns in the both time frames very quickly. We're going to go through the chart very quickly, just not to bore anyone, to get to the point, and just to show you what to keep an eye on, some areas of interest. Now overall, we did move from a low of 121 and then within about 2 months all the way up to a high of 1588. So a very impressive move. And just like any penny stock, volume was a key. You need that volume to show you have the move, the liquidity, and all that good stuff. But since putting in that higher high at 1588, it has pulled down and putting in some lower highs since. So just to draw up a couple of those data points, I'm actually going to do it pretty much from this point up and see how maybe we can connect here. Alright, so I'm going to actually just draw it up right about here. This seems pretty nice to me. Alright, so I'm not continuing this into our trend line because this was such a dramatic move. I want to connect as many data points in a clean line. So we're saying this is our pretty much overall downtrend. And as you can extend this down, you can see that the downtrend is now being tested on a possible reversal. And during that time, we did have the 200 SMA right here coming in as support. And then we also have support right here from the last few data points. And even actually going all the way back before the initial move up, you can see that was resistance. Very common to see old areas of resistance become area support. The price has been towing on that, creating a descending triangle. Now price has gotten above that trend line, not by much, but a little extra volume on that, getting out of the trend line. So a nice, interesting little push of volume, and now has gained the 200 SMA as support and walking that up. And now we're sandwiched between that 50 SMA and 200 SMA. So we're looking to get a break above that $4 on the 50 SMA to really continue this stock forward. Now, if you're looking at this more from an intraday perspective, I'm going to drop it down to the 10-day, 30-minute chart. Let's just remove these lines just so it's a little bit more clear. All right, and like I said, that $4 is definitely an area of resistance right here. But I'm actually going to drop this line down to a little bit more right around here. I'm going to split the difference around 395. But overall, 405, that's still the real areas of resistance. I'm just doing this because there's more data points here connecting it. But for me personally, I'd want to see the high of 405 break. But anyway, so we do have resistance right there around the $4 mark. And then we have some higher lows being put in as well. And this is basically now starting a ascending triangle. And what we're going to be looking for in the next coming days, maybe even week at the most, is for this price range to get so tight that it's going to have to move outside of it. When it moves outside of it, we're going to be looking for an increased amount of volume at the same time. So moving forward, we are looking at the ascending triangle to continue the overall bullish trend, as you can look by the 50 and 200 SMA, breaking above that $4 range with an increased amount of volume at the same time. That increased amount of volume is going to give us liquidity and showing us that there's a plenty of bullish momentum behind it and we don't get caught in a fake out breakout. So this you could also trade on a smaller time frame, like I said, if you're doing a quick day trade or a quick swing trade. Or if you're looking to swing trade this for maybe a longer amount of time, this could be possible signs for a reversal since that since putting in that high in a descending triangle pattern. So a lot of triangles here, different time frames, different ways to trade this ticker. Try to react to the price on this one. This is a penny stock, so be very careful with it. And best of luck to you traders. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And also check us out on Instagram or Facebook. Alright traders, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay profitable.